Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Forky. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head at the top. Let's start with 2 curves down and bring it in, leaving a gap at the bottom. Now to close off the top of the head, let's draw 2 angles down. And then 2 more points to close it off. Now let's hop in and draw the face. At the top, let's draw a curve across. Curve it down on each end. And another curve at the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to draw the eyes. Let's start with a larger one on the left. And a smaller one on the right. Now let's add another circle inside each one. And now let's add another circle inside on the top right corner. And color the pupils in black. Next, let's hop underneath the eyes and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath on the left, and we're going to curve it up and over to the right. Then let's curve it down underneath and back up. Now let's hop in and let's draw a border in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 lines down. Now underneath the left line, let's draw an angle down. And curve it down and back up underneath. Now on the top right, inside the gap here, let's draw a bump up and down. Then let's hop underneath on the left and let's draw another bump. Now let's continue the body by drawing 2 more lines down, like this. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw 2 wavy lines down and out. Then at the ends, let's draw a bump out. And now for the hands, let's draw a curve out for the first finger. Another one going down. And then 1 more on each hand. And then inside each one, let's add a curve. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back into the bottom of the body. Let's start with a wavy line across. And then bring it down and out with a wavy line on each side. And then a wavy line across the bottom. Now for the feet, let's draw an angle down and out on the sides. And another one underneath. And then let's close it off with a curve. Now inside each foot, let's add another curve across the bottom and back up. And lastly, on the right foot here, let's draw a rainbow sticker by drawing a curve. Another one in the middle here. And bring it out on each side. And that's it for Forky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!